What's going on, guys? My name is Liam, or Zeno here, and we're back with episode 3 of this building the desk thing. It's 7:40 in the morning, going back to my mom's house now. Today is the day that we are going to paint the underside of the desk, so the legs and the shelving unit and stuff. So we're gonna paint that. So I'll go ahead and bring you guys there, and we'll pick it up when I get there. So we're about to paint this entire shelf black, and then tomorrow or the next day, we're gonna add red little accent details to it. And then this part is still pretty strong. However, we're gonna get some more wood at Home Depot to reinforce kind of right now underneath it, and maybe down here a little bit too. So we're gonna paint that first and then run to Home Depot to get some more wood to reinforce it. So this is the first coat after about an hour here. We're about to do the second coat for it. So yeah, I think we're only gonna do 2 coats, maybe 3 if it doesn't look as what we want it to after 2, but probably only gonna stick with 2 coats. I'm not gonna film the second coat being put on, but I will film what it's like after, so yeah. Really, plane? Really? I don't even know where that thing is, but it's loud. Okay, so here is what the shelving unit looks like after the second coat. Pretty dark and black here. You can still see the wood bit through it, but I think that's okay because I kind of like the wood look. So yeah, we got it all black. This is about an hour after the second coat, maybe I think a little bit less than an hour actually. But yeah, so we didn't finish painting the other part or reinforcing it yet. My grandpa's gonna work on that on his own because I now have to go to work. So this and tomorrow's bit is all gonna be in the same video. So this video you guys are seeing is gonna be over the course of 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up in the morning tomorrow again when we're able to get back and working on it. Alright guys, it's the next morning and we're about to go back to my mom's house again. My grandpa should have reinforced the other side. Let's hope he did. He hasn't said anything yet, but I left it with him to reinforce the left side of the desk because I had to go to work yesterday, and then we're just gonna paint the left side of the desk today. So there's probably not gonna be too much other than painting that side and checking out what he did with the reinforcement. So I'll go ahead and pick it up when we get back over there so you guys can see what he had done over the time that he was not on video. So yeah. So here's what my grandpa did to reinforce this left side here. He took the biscuit cutter and got this piece of wood. What kind of wood is this, poplar?
Poplar.
Poplar wood into the plywood. And then this poplar wood to reinforce here and here. And I also thought this would be a cool idea because I can run through some cables through it. So like behind here and in here as well. And then just right out on there. So you won't even really see it too much. So it's much stronger on the left side now. And then obviously this is the right side. However, with this, the paint job didn't come out too bad. It's just a little rough for what we want. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is sanding the entire thing down. Then we're gonna go back to Home Depot and pick up some black paint, like paintbrush, and not just spray paint, so yeah.
Actually, when I read on this paint, they recommended that you use a primer too.
Really?
Primer, yeah.
Oh well.
We didn't do it, so.
I mean, it will be okay, I think, still.
I'm just painting this inside here just a little bit, just so it.
Do you think we'll be okay, even though we didn't use primer?
I hope so.
I mean, it's just wood. It's not like a house or anything. Okay, so right now we're painting it with a brush, or painting it with black semi-gloss paint. So, yeah. So you'd want to get a Mustang of all cars?
I'd probably.
Or would you get a Camaro?
I'd rather get that Genesis sedan.
Really?
They've got a new one out, a sports model.
Yeah.
That's smaller than the. It's still a four-door, but it's a little bit smaller than the. And you're right. You don't want the old one. You want the at least the. I wouldn't get anything older than a 2015.
Would you want a charge? Would you ever want to get a Charger?
Oh yeah, I like Chargers.
You could get a Charger, Grandpa. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You could get the 5.7 Charger.
Yeah.
5.7 V8, but just a regular road track, not SRT.
So how we doing?
Pretty good. I did this entire leg,
Uh-huh.
some of this leg, and then there. All right, everybody, so here's the closing bit to this third episode here of building this desk. So we applied the paint as you saw before. We hand brushed it and it actually made it look so much better. The paint we used right here is called, let's see, Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Semi-Gloss Black Paint is what we used. And then the spray paint, where's the spray paint at? Don't know where we put it, but it's something, I don't know, it showed in an earlier video. But it's turned out really nice. This black looks really good. We're gonna do one more coat on it a day from, so not tomorrow, but the day after. So I get a chance to edit some of these videos and stuff and get prepared. And then this is the reinforced bit here for the left side. We just have one spray paint coat on it right now, so we're gonna coat it twice with the black regular paint over there. And then after that, we're gonna wait about 48 hours and throw some of the red paint on it. And I've already got some ideas here for the red paint. So yeah, and then we just have to wait for the desktop to come in. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for more content, and that's about it. Find me on social media, Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram, all at xzeno. Have a good day, and peace.